What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to add Nuggs to the Authenticator app. I know that a lot of you are using Nuggs for two-factor authentication, and I've been getting a lot of questions about how to add it to the Authenticator app. So, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to do it. What is Nuggs? Before we get started, let's talk about what Nuggs is. Nuggs is a two-factor authentication app that you can use to protect your accounts. It works by generating a unique code that you can use to log into your accounts. This code is only valid for a short period of time, so it's very secure. How to add Nuggs to the Authenticator app. Now that we know what Nuggs is, let's get started on how to add it to the Authenticator app. Open the Authenticator app. Tap on the Add New App button. Select Other App. Enter the app name as Nuggs. Enter the app's website as nuggs.co. Tap on the Next button. Scan the QR code that is displayed on the Nuggs app. Once the QR code is scanned, the Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code into the Nuggs app. Tap on the Verify button. Once the code is verified, the Nuggs app will be added to the Authenticator app. How to use Nuggs. Now that you have Nuggs added to the Authenticator app, let's talk about how to use it. Open the Authenticator app. Select the Nuggs app. The Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code into the login screen of the app or website that you are trying to access. Tips. Here are a few tips for using Nuggs. Make sure that you have two-factor authentication enabled on your accounts. Use a strong password for your Nuggs account. Keep your Nuggs app up to date. If you lose your phone, you will need to generate a new recovery code. I hope this video has helped you learn how to add Nuggs to the Authenticator app. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on cybersecurity. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.